Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on HTML entities. And right now, we'll be discussing about some character entities you can find in HTML documents. So right now, these are some of them that you can use inside your HTML document. You can have this. Can you see all this? All these symbols, you can have them. The less than, greater than, hyphen, cent, 50, pound, yen, euro, number, copyright symbols. All these symbols, you can have them. You can have this character also. As you can see, if you want to use them in entity name, you can use them. In our previous tutorial, we have shown you guys how you can use them in entity names. And if you want to use them in entity numbers, you can use them. As you can see, the way they looks reasonable. Anyone, if you want to use, let's say for instance, we want to use the copyright symbol quickly, we can come back to our document right here where we are having this in our previous tutorial. Let's delete this one and come back here. As you can see, this is what we are having inside it, but let's say we delete it. We save our document, we load first. As you can see, nothing is there right now. Let's say we want to add copyright to this article. Let's say for instance, I want to write copyright at the beginning of this page, or at the middle, immediately after this, after our HTML. Let's just write hashtag hash and and hash. So and hash, or we write and only and use copy and close it. When you save your document, you're going to see the copyright symbol. Can you see? It's looking nice, it's looking neat. And we can use the number entity. We can use the number entity, or we can use the name entity. So the number entity is 174. So let's use the 174. We'll use hashtag and let's use 174 to bring out the same thing again. Can you see? This one is the one we use is 174, and it brought out this trademark, as you can see. And we can use any one. We can use, is it that we want to use this or we want to use this. And let's say we want to use the entity or the name one, the name entity, you can use rec instead, and we'll meet the hashtag. Just use and rec. So you are going to see it's going to display the same thing. Can you see the same thing is showing right here? So that's how we use the entity name and entity number. So in case you find yourself in this such way that you have to use something like this, that's how you can insert it into your HTML document. Don't forget, try your all best to make sure that you practice all these things, because when you practice, where you can know all these things. So entity names are case sensitive, don't you forget. All these names you are seeing here, they are case sensitive, and you can use them. You can use all this one. So this is entity name. We have entity name and entity number, and the both works the same way. But when you are writing them, make sure you close them with this column by the end of them. So that's how they works. Anwar akorede is my name. I wish to see you guys next time, and to the next tutorial. We have bunch of them, don't you forget. So you can use it. Have a great day. Thank you so much. Bye.